Hey, I just want to jump on and talk about some lemon essential oil hacks. I'm a pretty big fan of lemon essential oil from doTERRA, and for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's $10 for a bottle, and I go through them like one every 3 months. And the reason being is it's such a versatile oil that can be used in a lot of ways, and I use it in a lot of ways. So I wanted to chat briefly for like 5 minutes and tell you guys what those are, and why I love it. First of all, lemon is something that I start my day out with. It wakes me up. It's incredible for energy, and it's a natural body purifier. It helps support the filtering organs of the body in doing their job, and it is just wonderful. So, one drop in a glass of water first thing in the morning, and it's going to help your digestion. It's just a wonderful oil to use. Um, I use it as a cleaner on my toilets, on my um, bathtub surfaces. I love putting it in my mop water with a little bit of On Guard for the floors. It's just unbelievably, the smell is just phenomenal. Clean my microwave, my oven with it, some water, baking soda. Baking soda will just help scrub and help with stains. Cleans the sink beautifully after I've done dishes, leaves it shiny and the kitchen smelling, like a bouquet of lemons, or a bowl of lemons, sorry. And it's incredible oil. If you're like me and you do laundry and then you get kind of sidetracked and you're like, oh, wait a second, I forgot the laundry. Great. Then what you can do is you can put 2 drops of lemon essential oil into your wash, and then go ahead and put the cycle on rinse. So you don't want to like do a full like wash cycle again. There's no need to waste the water. Just do a rinse, and your clothes will that smell will be gone, and you're saving yourself time and money and all that jazz. Um, Lemon essential oil is great for if you have a toddler, which I do, and they got a hold of permanent marker or any type of marker and decide to go to town on your walls. Ah, lovely. You can take lemon essential oil and put it on a rag and just wipe that stuff right off. It works great on whiteboards. Let's say you have a whiteboard that's just it's not white anymore because it's been used a lot or scratched up or whatever. It'll clean a whiteboard really, really well. Also, nail polish remover. Who knew? But lemon essential oil is a great nail polish remover, especially for little ones who you don't want to expose to like the breathing in those harmful chemicals from acetone. No, 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 no. Use lemon essential oil, okay? Um, Another thing is, I have a toddler who loves stickers, and she puts them on the wood floors all the time, and they get stuck and onto my chairs and my table, and then you can't get them up, and it's just a pain, and you have stickers all over your house. So, one of the things that I recommend is using lemon essential oil for that. You just take 1 or 2 drops on that sticker, let it soak in, and literally you can just wipe it up. Like the adhesive and the stickiness is gone. It just wipes off like it's a piece of paper. It's amazing. Um, I'm trying to think. There was one other one I was thinking of for lemon essential oil. Um, and focus. So one of the wonderful things, which is ironic because I just forgot, a lemon essential oil is a wonderful oil for diffusing or even applying topically if you're trying to study or trying to get some work done and focus on something. It is going to be great for that. So just remember that lemon essential oil is a really good focusing oil and helps you kind of just buckle down and get stuff done. You could drink it too. Either way, topical, aromatic, or internal use will have the same results. So that's why I like to use it in the morning, because it kind of focuses my day and gets me started and energized and ready to get the job done. So that's my 5 minute little essential oil lemon essential oil hacks, and I'm so glad you guys watched, and be looking for more videos in the future. I'm going to try to be pretty consistent. I do a lot of Facebook lives on my oil slinger page on Facebook, so if you are interested in essential oil education, please feel free to join that group. And if you have any questions about lemon essential oil or me, or essential oils in general. I'm a wellness advocate with doTERRA, and I love to educate people on essential oils. So feel free to leave a comment or even comment with your favorite uses of lemon essential oil. And have an awesome day. Bye.